Joseph Alois Schumpeter. Joseph Alois Schumpeter was born on February 8, 1883, in Trier, Moravia, then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. He was an Australian-American economist and sociologist, best known for his contribution to economic theory, particularly in areas of innovation, entrepreneurship, and business cycles.
Youth and education. Schumpeter was born into a relatively poor family. His father, Johann Schumpeter, was a textile entrepreneur who died when Joseph was 4 years old. After his father's death, the Schumpeter family moved to Vienna, where Joseph spent his early years. Schumpeter studied at the University of Vienna, where he studied law and economics. He graduated in 1906 and then continued his studies at the University of Oxford, where he studied under the renowned economist Edwin Kennan. After completing his studies, Schumpeter became a professor of economics at the University of Louvain, where he taught from 1909 to 1911, and he moved to the University of Greece, where he was professor of economics from 1911 to 1919. In 1919, Schumpeter became Australia's Minister of Finance, but he only served for a few months. After that, he became Professor of Economics at the University of Bern, where he taught from 1925 to 1932. Schumpeter moved to the United States, where he became a professor of economics at Harvard University. He taught at Harvard until 1950, when he died.
Contribution in economics. Schumpeter is known for his contribution to economic theory, especially in the areas of innovation, entrepreneurship, and the business cycle. He developed the concept of entrepreneurship as a process of continuous innovation and change in the economy. Schumpeter is also known for his business cycle theory, which explains that economies go through continuous cycle of expansion and contraction. He also developed the concept of innovation as the process of developing new product, process, and organization.
Major works. Some of Schumpeter's main works include the first in theory of economic development 1911. This work explains Schumpeter's theory of entrepreneurship and innovation. The second is the business cycle 1939. This work explains Schumpeter's theory of business cycles. And the third, capitalism, socialism, and explain three, Schumpeter's analysis of economic and a political system.
Influence and legacy. Schumpeter had a major influence on economics, especially the areas of innovation, entrepreneurship, and business class. He is considered the greatest economist of the 20th century, and he is worked in still students and referred to be economists and researchers to the Schumpeter. They can also be seen in the development of economic theory, especially in the areas of innovation and entrepreneurship. He has influenced many economics researchers, including Milton Friedman, Friedrich Hayek, and Paul Smith.